Hi, I'm Tasha from One Big Happy Life, and I am so excited to be here on The Financial Diet hosting its newest weekly show, The Lifestyle Fix, brought to you by Wealthsimple. The Lifestyle Fix is all about helping you create the life that you want on any budget. I'll be sharing tips and practical advice on how to spruce up your home, shop better, get adventurous in the kitchen, and do all the things in between that help you create a life that's uniquely yours. Over the years, I've lived in a lot of different places, including an apartment above a bar in Virginia, my parents' 1,200 square foot house in New York City with my then spouse and child, and owning a 4,000 square foot house with a media room in Texas, just to name a few. And my budget has also varied a lot along the way, from making $17,000 a year as a single mom to making a six-figure salary. Each one of those life changes has come with its own challenges, and I've learned a lot about lifestyle fixing along the way that I will be sharing with you here every single Friday. Need ideas on how to organize a small bathroom on a budget? I've got your back. Ready to change up your wardrobe from college casual to professional chic? Well, I'll tell you which items of clothing need to get a one-way ticket to Goodwill and what you should replace them with. Want to start DIYing your way to a gorgeous home but don't know where to start? Well, I built that, so I can definitely help you out there. We're so excited to be partnering with Wealthsimple to launch the Lifestyle Fix, so let me tell you a little bit more about them. Wealthsimple is an online investment service that makes it super easy to invest like a pro and reach your financial goals. Just answer a few simple questions and they'll build you a custom portfolio that's designed to fit your personal needs. The fees are low, there are no account minimums, and best of all, you can set up automatic transfers to make it run on autopilot. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to one of their money experts for a free portfolio review. TFD viewers get a $50 bonus for getting started, so be sure to check them out by clicking the link down below or by heading over to wealthsimple.com/promo/lifestylefix. Now let me tell you a little bit more about me. I'm a lawyer, a mom, and a YouTuber. I've served on active duty in the Marines and put myself through law school with the student loans to show for it. By day, I'm a banking and finance attorney, and also by day, just much later in the day, I make YouTube videos with my partner Joseph and our 2 kids. One Big Happy Life is where my family and I share our balanced approach to money, showing that yes, it is possible to pay off debt, build wealth, while still having a life. We've shared everything from our journey to pay off $50,000 worth of debt in just 6 months to vlogging our family vacation to Singapore that same year, which was awesome, by the way. We also share cooking tips and the various DIY projects that we do around our house. Like, check out what this place used to look like before it became the home to the Lifestyle Fix. Oh, and we have a dog. She's cute, hates to go out in the rain, doesn't like to cuddle or move, so she's practically a cat, but we love her anyway. The TFD team and I are so excited and have so many videos that we can't wait to share with you, but we want to hear from you. So drop us a comment down below and tell me what kinds of videos you'd love to see me cover in the future. Be sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and tune in here every single Friday for more episodes of The Lifestyle Fix. And don't forget to check out Wealthsimple by clicking the link down below or heading over to wealthsimple.com/promo/lifestylefix to get a $50 bonus when you open up an account with at least $500. See you next week.